দেশের যে কি হইব?
Where will I be 5 years from now?
It's not just you. Everybody's asking these questions. So can we, the young people of Bangladesh, answer them?
আমি মুসা ইব্রাহিম, আমি সাংবাদিকতা করি, কিন্তু আমার শখ পর্বতারোহণ করা, সাথে বিভিন্ন লং ডিস্টেন্স ওপেন ওয়াটার সুইম করা। 2010 সালের 23শে মে বাংলাদেশ সময় 5:16 আমরা বাংলাদেশের পতাকা উড়িয়েছি বিশ্বের সর্বোচ্চ শৃঙ্গ এভারেস্টের চূড়ায়।
This is Shanto, and I basically do this thing called beatboxing. It's a form of expression, I guess. I don't know, but you make beats with your mouth, and I don't know. I just do it because it's fun.
My life is full of transitions. I was brought up in a small town in Dinajpur, and now I'm getting enrolled at MIT. I'm Tamanna Islam Urmi, and I'm a social activist. When I was in grade 8, I started my career in Math Olympiad, and since then I have been participating and working for this competition.
My name is Anushi Haider, and I'm a fire spinner. I've been spinning for 6 years now, and our group is called Noor. Fire spinning is a beautiful form of performing arts, and it takes years and years of dedication, passion, courage, and determination to learn and master the skills.